Understanding hosting services and the role it plays in your website is daunting. So we thought we'd do a fun little explanation of the hosting services Team WTI provides and the importance of protecting your site and keeping it in optimal condition. About your website, think of it like a vehicle. Your vehicle could be as small as an SUV, medium-sized like a bus, or even as robust as a big delivery truck. Your website has data and site files. Much like a vehicle that can hold one single person or many passengers, your website may only hold a small amount of data or large data files, and some may even contain products to sell. License plate on your vehicle is how it is identified. The domain name to your website is what identifies it, personalizes it, and directs browsers to it. Every vehicle needs a parking spot, such as a parking lot or parking garage. The same holds true for a website's data and site files. They need to be parked within a hosting server. When you lock your vehicle doors, you are protecting the contents of the vehicle. The SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, protects your website. The SSL enables an encrypted connection between a browser and the site and also authenticates your website. The camera takes a snapshot of an item. An automatic backup system takes a snapshot of your website to capture its current version. If data is accidentally lost, deleted, or the site has a breach, a previously saved version of the site can be restored. Automatic updates to your website are like your car's computer system that helps to keep your vehicle running as it should. Automatic WordPress updates keep your site up to date behind the scenes, hands-free. Similar to adding fuel to your vehicle's gas tank, Digital Marketing Services provides the fuel to power your website. These services can include SEO, social media management, local SEO, Google Business Profile, content creation, and more. Regular maintenance on your vehicle and website help both perform at their very best. The web is a constantly changing environment. Keeping your site up to date with new content, adding images and blog posts, etc. will help keep your site on the road performing for your business. Call Team WTI to see how you can bundle our annual services to maintain your website. Keep your site at its optimum performance level and get it out there on a wonderful trip around the neighborhood or around the world.